I think you'll meet a Leo that has actually embedded in many more partnerships than we have today. I think where we as a company traditionally have built many partnerships is within research and development as an example. But I also see us going forward building many more partnerships in our ability to provide solutions to patients. Because again, living with a skin disease, in order to really feel well taken care of, you need much more than the best possible treatment. You would also need access to information, to other kind of care and services. So I actually see that as a significant change for us going forward, that we collaborate from a much more holistic perspective, also at the commercial end, if you like.